Pop goes the tender engine. Harold is very proud of being the paramedic helicopter of Glacier Park. He talks endlessly about it. The people who needed to ride him behaved well. He would help engines in trouble in Glacier Park and find the saber-tooth and find the escaped animals. The Smilodon when the Smilodon was caught, it behaved well. It behaved well in the cage. One day, Harold had to help Henry. Henry had to get Harold some apple juice to fly to the island of Sodor, because the bridge to get to Glacier Park was closed for repairs. Henry puffed up. The cars were new and had barrels of apple juice in them, and they haven't been touched for a long time. Henry found them hard to move. Go on, go, backwards, forwards. Oh, the truck screamed. We can't, we won't. Come on, said Henry. He jerked forward. Harold watched with interest. Go, backwards, forwards. Oh, the truck screamed. We can't, we won't. Henry totally lost patience. Come on. Ho, 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 laughed Harold. Henry was not having any of it. He's a splendid engine, but sometimes has trouble in Glacier Park. Oh, the trucks groaned when they were being bumped. Henry was not having any fun with the trucks at all. Some of the truck's brakes snapped, and the barrels of apple juice have spilled, and the trucks were derailed. I'll get them for you, said Harold. He put the trucks back on the rail, and after he'd done it, he said to Henry, "Goodbye. Thank you for arranging these, Henry. I must go with the oil barrels you saved." Actually, they ordered 4 oil barrels. 4 oil barrels of apple juice. So these are new barrels. These are apple juice barrels. The supermarket has ordered apple juice. 4 containers of apple juice. So I shall go now. Henry had to help Percy clear the mess. He hated it. All the trucks were laughing and singing at him. Cars are waiting in the yard, tackling them with Henry. Show the world what I can do. Daily goes the tender engine. In and out he creeps about like a big but weasel. But when he shunts the wrong carts out, pop goes the tender engine. Growled Henry, and he went back to Farmer McColl's farm.